We have to cut that off anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know, but like, that sucks.
I mean, it's just a piece of carbon laying on
This
the
guy
road.
straight up walked a bumper to my house.
Yo, it's made out of carbon and fiberglass, so. Yeah, tire like made the bumper sit like this is a bumper, right?
Yeah.
Yeet.
Oh.
Yeah, and I was like, yeah, I just broke like $2,500 bumper. Sick.
Nice. This is Sam. He's a little tired. This is his BRZ. I figured since it's a beautiful day out, we could do some stuff to his car. And there's a bumper there and a lip that he apparently walked over to my house. So we're gonna fit some really expensive body panels to his car today. Yeah, this actually looks really cool.
You like it, eh?
Yeah. Well, it's way better
without a bumper, to be honest.
Nah, it's obviously way better fitment than your last.
Aftermath of my bumper flipping.
Oh really?
Yeah. So we're gonna have to like wet sand or polish or.
Oh, that's not even. Oh yeah, that's not even deep.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no, that'll come right out. Yeah.
Yo,
That
you
sucks.
like my caulking job?
Hey, it works. It works.
Yo, it worked, bro. That's all we had to do is just cut
Yeah.
the lens out and rewire inside.
Yeah.
Because, you know.
I don't know how well you guys can see this, but since we don't have a paint table, we just painted all the mesh on the ground. They're black. Now, yeah. Now, what are we gonna do? Oh, yeah, so we gotta go to the store and get some bolts. Yeah, sorry, I'm just trying to close up shop.
Hey, you want some carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber.
Do I want carbon fiber?
Here you go.
Do I want a piece of carbon fiber?
Came off my bumper.
Came off your bumper, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yo, exposure's hella bright on this right now. Oh, don't step on it. That's not nice.
It's done, dude.
What did carbon ever do to you? Bruh.
Alright, let's put it back on then.
Yeah. Mint.
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 Perfect.
Perfect. Mint.
Perfect for built retro garage.
That's how we do it. We're gonna go to the store, get some bolts and stuff. I think, yo, this man picked a Sunday to do all this, so I think Home Depot's our only option. Oh, right, we gotta get coffee. I haven't had coffee today.
Who wants coffee? I just made a fresh pot of coffee. Does anybody want coffee?
Okay, so we got coffee. We got Sam. We got nuts and bolts. We forgot one bolt.
Yeah.
We forgot one bolt. That's okay.
Yeah.
I'll find it. Alright. So we're gonna put some bolts in through here, and then some nuts in down here, and attach the lip, and then we're gonna zip tie the ends just to give it some flex factor. And then we're gonna figure out how to MacGyver it on the car.
Yeah.
Because she don't fit that nice right now.
No.
You gotta love aftermarket stuff, right?
Yeah.
Everything aftermarket. Never fits perfect.
I mean, unless like you pay for like $1 million to have some shop do it,
I know, right?
and then like
Still doesn't fit perfect after.
Yeah, literally. So just accept the fact that your car is always gonna look like.
Yeah, pretty much. Bodywork.
All right, there we go. One
First-
bolt in, it's done.
Bodywork, first favorite thing.
Yeah. Man, that fitment.
And then safety
That
safety
fitment
first
on
as
one
well.
bolt.
Safety first as well.
Collect parts, do the job, then wear glasses at the end of the video and be like, that's how it's done.
And tell them to always wear mouth protection. Okay, so we got the lip assembled. Actually looks pretty sick. We got the mesh back in. It's all black. Looks pretty cool. What are you doing there?
Putting the Night Hunter thingy-majiggy on.
Yo, this guy's all about brand name everything.
Hell yeah.
And you got this dickhead. He just custom makes whatever he wants.
Yeah, he just like kind of takes metal from some other thing and then just like makes it work.
Right? Alright, I think I foresee some issues here. So we might have to trim some stuffs. And here. And we gotta cut like this part off. And same thing over there. But we're gonna test fit it first. Just to see what she looks like.
Nice job, dumbass!
Okay, so like 8 hours have gone by, I think. 8 hours? Nah, not 8 hours. Like 5 hours. It's like 6 o'clock in the evening.
One eternity later.
It's done! Looks real good, actually. Yeah, lots of test fitting. Lots of custom bracketry required. Lots of, test fitting. Lots of cutting. And lots of cringing because, like, the shit cracks easy. But he happy. So happy birthday. Yeah. Actually looks pretty sick. I think he should paint it white. He doesn't think he should paint it white.
I'm debating.
Bro, I think you should just straight up
The
86.
car was white before.
Yeah, but like, so? Okay, straight up, just picture this thing like a 1986 Toyota Corolla Hachiroku Panda paint, but in 2013. That would look sick.
Yo, we in 2021.
Yeah, but like, okay, the car's from 2013 though. Yo, this is hella weird. I feel like I'm filming upside down. If you good,
Yeah.
pretty much everywhere is hella low, and it's missing like a thing.
Extension.
Yeah, there's like bumper extensions that it's missing. Yeah, they go right there. Other than that,
It's perfect.
yeah, and the plate's on crooked, which is
Yeah.
sick.
Sick.
Yeah, just block all the aerodynamic flow that goes
Yo,
into the
that's
grill.
like, going to my invisible intercooler, bro. That's to help travel air right into the intercooler, right to the cabin, to then give me fresh air. You know?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Why don't you just get a hood scoop? What is that? Guy, it looks like a snake. Get that out of here. I don't want that here.
It was on your property.
Oh, what the hell? Okay. Alright, what else was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna go to like storage and stuff, and he was gonna come help me because I gotta find like a rare stereo for this thing over here.
That thing became a problem.
Yeah, that thing became a project. And then I'll just go in the morning after work because I want to go take a nap before I gotta go to work.
Happy birthday, bitch!